Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by setting up what Buyee needs to act for you. Create and verify your account so notifications arrive. Once done, add the shipping address exactly as on customs forms. Next, attach a payment method. Credit card or PayPal works best for speed. Make sure to select the domestic warehouse if you plan consolidation. This reduces international shipping surprises. These are the first actionable steps because they unblock browsing and purchasing immediately, and they minimize delays later on. You now find items and submit orders through Buyee's proxy or direct buy options. When using auctions, place a max bid to avoid constant monitoring. Once done, Buyee bids on your behalf. This prevents overpaying. For immediate purchases, choose Buy It Now and confirm item condition and size. Make sure to enable automatic inspection or request optional photos. This reduces returns later. Finally, watch the order status in your Buyee dashboard so you know when items reach the warehouse. You finish by consolidating and preparing shipments from the Buyee warehouse. Once all items arrive, request consolidation to save on weight-based shipping. Make sure to remove extra packing. Then pick a courier, EMS for speed, SAL for budget. Compare cost versus ETA before paying. Pay international shipping and any customs duties shown. Buyee forwards the package and gives a tracking number. If something goes wrong, contact Buyee support with order ID and photos right away so they can open an inquiry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.